KSG Tech presents $700 gaming PC build in 2025. Installing the Ryzen 7 5700X. Next, installing the RAM, 32 gigabytes of DDR4 memory. Installing the OS drive. Installing the CPU cooler, the Thermal Right Peerless Assassin. Preparing the case, Phanteks Eclipse G500A. Installing the power supply Corsair RM850X. Installing the GPU RTX 2070 Super, the ASUS ROG Strix version. Let us know what you think of this build in the comments below. Crafted with discipline, powered by design. This is KSG Tech. Subscribe for more.